So my name is Michael Bodley. I am doing my master's degree in chemical engineering under the supervision of Dr. Scott Parent. It's not like undergrad where after 4 years you're done. I mean, it's very results driven. You have 2 years to sort of finish with a master's, and what does that really entail? And so it's challenging because you're doing research that no one's done before. You're sort of treading in waters that haven't really been tested before, and it can be pretty challenging. So my research is on polymer blending. And so what we're doing right now is we're taking rubber, so we're taking the impact and sort of the mechanical properties of rubber, and we're blending it into something that's processable, so a plastic. So this has been done for many years, but we're looking at the dynamics of this process, and we're introducing new chemistry to basically control the rates and sort of the progression of the reaction. And we're basically providing areas of our time periods where we can suppress radical activity and suppress the reactions for safety. I think one of the most exciting things about my research is the skills I've learned. I think that I really want to touch on that because I think it's something that's unique. I've done everything from producing blends to characterizing by morphology, so actually looking at the blend morphology. I've looked at how they're processed, so I look at the rheological properties. I've looked at mechanical, solid state properties, which is really appealing to maybe employers in the R&D field because I can go up there and say, listen, I've done everything from bench scale organic synthesis to large scale production. Yeah, so the funding varies depending on the department. So ChemEng, they give you about 25 grand in funding, so you live comfortably. And on top of that, you can get other scholarships. So the OGS, the Ontario Graduate Scholarship, which is for domestic students, so I received that, and that gives you another 5 grand on top. And there are other scholarships out there, such as the Vanier, and there's the CGS, so the Canadian Graduate Scholarship. So there's a lot of different opportunities out there. Research, you got to be prepared to fail because you're treading in unknown waters, and I'd say 75% of the battle is figuring out what's going on. The job hunt's challenging. I'm not going to say it's easy. It takes a lot of time, and there's a lot of connections you need to make, but there are opportunities here at Queen's. So there's an oil and gas speaker series, for instance, that has jobs, has basically employers and contacts there. So there's a lot of opportunities on campus to get that outreach. I mean, career services provides a lot of help. But doing a master's, I mean, I got my job as a process engineering company. I could have got that job out of undergrad, but doing the master's wasn't a negative impact on that job prospect. So I think masters are great because they teach you a lot of soft skills. They introduce you to R&D, but they don't shut any doors down.